Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Daily.
Hi, I'm David.
And I'm Ava.
How are you today, Ava?
I'm good. Actually, I'm really excited today
Excited? Why? What's going on?
because today's topic, I love it so much.
Really? What is it?
Confidence.
Confidence?
Yes, confidence in English.
Oh, that's a good topic.
It's the best topic. Everyone wants it, right?
True. Everyone wants to feel confident when they speak English.
Exactly. But here's the problem.
What problem?
Nobody teaches you how to get it.
You're right. People say, be confident, but how?
Right. How? That's what we'll talk about today.
I like this already.
If you've ever stayed quiet in English because you were afraid to speak, this video is for you.
I still get nervous sometimes, even when I know the words.
That's so normal, David. So normal.
Really?
Yes, and you know what the biggest problem is?
What?
People watch too many English videos. They read too many books. They study grammar for years.
And?
And they never speak.
Oh, I know people.
Reading, studying.
And output?
Output means what comes out. Speaking, writing.
So people study a lot but don't practice speaking.
Exactly. It's like having an iPad full of apps, but you never create anything.
That's a good comparison.
You have the tools, but you don't use them
So why don't people speak?
because they're scared.
Scared of what?
Scared of making mistakes, scared of sounding stupid, scared of being judged.
That makes sense.
And here's the thing.
What?
People think I'll speak when I'm ready, when I'm perfect.
Right.
But you'll never feel ready, never feel perfect.
So what do?
You just start. Imperfect, messy, but you start.
But how? Where?
That's the problem. Everyone says practice speaking, but with who?
Exactly. I don't have English friends. I can't afford a tutor.
Right. And that's why people give up.
So, Ava, what's the solution?
The solution is you practice alone first.
Alone?
Yes, you build confidence in private, safe, no pressure.
And then?
Then, when you're ready, you talk to people. But first, you need to get comfortable with your own voice.
That makes sense.
Yes, because confidence doesn't come from grammar.
No?
No, it comes from action, from doing.
So, we have to speak?
Yes, but not in a scary way. In small ways. Baby steps.
Baby steps?
Yes, like building a house.
A house?
Let me explain. When you build a house, you don't build it all at once, right?
Right. You build it step by step.
Exactly. One brick at a time.
So confidence is like one brick at a time.
Yes, small actions, build those bricks. 3 simple ways.
And people can use them today?
Yes, today, right now. Super simple.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we start?
Let's start with the easiest one.
Hi, Ava. Wait, are you talking to yourself?
Yes, I am.
Why?
Because it's the first method.
Talking to yourself is a method?
Yes, it's called self-talk. And it's amazing.
Self-talk?
Yes, self-talk means you talk to yourself out loud.
Out loud?
Yes, you say what you're doing in English.
So, like right now, you're making coffee?
Exactly. Listen, I'm making coffee. I'm opening the coffee bag. It smells good.
You're really doing it.
Yes. Now I'm pouring water. Oh, the cup is full. Okay, stop.
So, you just describe what you do?
Yes, simple things, daily things.
But why does this help?
Good question. Let me explain.
Okay.
Okay. When you talk to yourself, you practice speaking without fear.
Without fear.
Yes, because nobody is listening. Nobody is judging you.
Ah, so it's safe.
Exactly. It's safe practice. Your mouth learns to move. Your brain learns to think in English.
But do you do this every day?
All the time. In the morning, I say, I'm waking up. I'm so tired. I need coffee.
Really?
Yes. Or when I cook, I'm chopping onions. Ouch, my eyes hurt.
That's funny.
It is funny, but it works because you're using real English, not textbook English.
Real English.
Yes, the English you actually need every day.
Can you give more examples?
Of course. Listen. I'm opening the window. It's hot today. Where are my keys? Oh, there they are.
So simple.
Yes, the simpler, the better, because that's how confidence grows.
How?
Quietly, from small things, not from big speeches.
I never thought about that.
Most people think confidence in your kitchen, in your room.
Wow.
You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You just need your voice.
So anyone can do this?
Anyone, even if you're shy, even if you're a beginner.
That's really encouraging.
Good. That's the point.
Okay, but I have a question.
What?
What if I say something wrong? Nobody tells me.
Great question.
So,
That's where the next method comes in.
the next method?
Yes. Come, sit down. Let me show you. Okay, so the problem with self-talk is nobody corrects you.
Right.
So what do?
I don't know. Find a teacher?
You can, but there's a free way.
Free?
Yes, you copy someone.
Copy?
Yes, you listen to English and you repeat right away.
Like echoing?
Exactly. That's why it's called the echo method.
Echo method.
Yes, like an echo in the mountains. You hear something, you say it back.
So I just repeat?
Yes, but you repeat native speakers, people who speak natural English.
Like in movies?
Movies, TV shows, videos, anything.
Can we try?
Yes, let me play something. I can't believe it's Monday again.
I can't believe it's Monday again.
Good. Again.
I can't believe it's Monday again.
Perfect. See, you're learning the rhythm.
Rhythm?
Yes, rhythm means the music of English, how it sounds.
Ah, the flow.
Exactly. English has a flow, and you can't learn that from grammar books.
True.
You learn it by copying, by listening and repeating.
So, not just the words?
Not just the words, you copy the tone, the feeling, the speed.
The feeling?
Yes, tired.
I'm so tired.
Yes, that's it. You feel it.
Okay, I get it.
This is why movies are great, because actors show emotion.
True.
And when you copy emotion, English becomes real, not robotic.
Not robotic. I like that.
You can do this with anything. Our videos, for example.
Oh, good idea.
Yes, pick a line you like and repeat it many times.
Like, simple is good. Simple is perfect.
Exactly. Say it again.
Simple is good. Simple is perfect.
Again.
Simple is good. Simple is perfect.
See? Now it's in your mouth, in your muscle memory.
Muscle memory?
Yes, your mouth remembers. So when you need it, it just comes out.
Wow, that makes sense.
And the best part?
What?
It's fun. It's like singing along to a song.
Yes, I do that.
Exactly. Same idea. You're not studying, you're enjoying.
So, no pressure?
No pressure, just rhythm, just fun.
I love this method.
Me too. But, David,
Yes.
there's one more level.
One more?
Yes, because echoing is great, but it's still copying.
True.
So, how do you make it your English?
I don't know.
That's when you retell.
Retell?
Yes, let me explain. Okay, the retell method is the final step.
Final step?
Yes, this is when English becomes truly yours.
How?
You listen to something, then you tell it again, in your own words.
My own words?
Yes, not copying, not echoing. Your version.
So, like storytelling.
Exactly, like storytelling.
But that sounds hard.
It's not. Let me show you. Listen to this story. Yesterday, I went to the store. I forgot my wallet, so I went back home.
Okay.
Now, you tell me, what happened?
You went to the store
Yes?
and you forgot something.
What did I forget?
Your wallet. So, you came back.
Yes, perfect.
Really?
Yes, you didn't say it exactly like me, but you told the story.
Oh, so it doesn't have to be perfect.
No, not perfect, just real.
Real.
Yes, when you retell, you're not a student anymore. You're a speaker.
A speaker.
Yes, you're creating English, not just repeating it.
That's powerful.
It is. And you can do this with anything. Videos, podcasts, conversations.
So, I watch a video, then I tell someone what I watched.
Exactly. Or you tell yourself in English.
In English.
Yes. You can even record yourself.
Record?
Yes, on your phone. Tell the story, listen back, see how you sound.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Very good idea. Because you hear your own voice. You hear your progress.
Progress.
Yes. Every time you retell something, you get better.
Better at what?
Thinking in English, organizing your ideas, speaking naturally.
Wow.
Okay, the key is don't worry if you forget parts. Don't worry if you make mistakes.
No?
No, the goal is to speak, to try.
So just start?
Just start. Even one.
Okay, so let me see if I understand.
Yes?
First, talk to yourself.
Yes, self-talk. Describe what you do.
Second, echo what you hear.
Yes, copy native speakers. Learn the rhythm.
And third, retell what you learned.
Yes, make it your own. Tell it your way.
I love how each step builds on the last one.
Right? You start alone, then you copy others, then you create your own English.
That's the full circle.
Exactly. Full circle.
And all of this builds confidence?
Yes, because you're not waiting for permission. You're not waiting for perfect.
You're just doing it.
Yes, one small brick at a time.
One brick at a time.
If this video helped you, start today, right now.
Pick one method. Just one.
Talk to yourself while cooking. Echo a line from a movie. Retell a short story.
Don't wait for confidence to come. Create it.
Yes, create it slowly. Break.
But Ava, one more thing.
Yes?
When people do these three methods, then what?
Then, when you feel ready, you talk to real people.
Real conversations?
Yes, that's the final step. But here's the key.
What?
You don't need to pay for expensive tutors or classes.
No.
No, you can find free language exchange partners online, or you can call customer service in English.
Customer service?
Yes, like tech support, hotel bookings. They have to talk to you. It's their job.
That's clever.
It's free practice. But honestly, these three methods, they're enough to start. Don't worry about real people yet.
So just focus on these three?
Yes, master these first. Build your confidence. Then go out and talk to people.
One step at a time.
Exactly. One brick at a time.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, and tell us in the comments, which method will you try first?
Self-talk? Echo? Or retell?
We want to know.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.